Hello everyone, and welcome you back to my channel. I'm going to show you today how to add a new token to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet always comes with a few tokens, but the new tokens are not always added, so you have to add it in a you have to add it manually. So you open Trust Wallet. As you can see, this wallet is a new wallet. It only has a few tokens, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. So to add a new token, you click at the extreme end here. You have to search for the token manually. Some of these are popular tokens, so you can easily add this Matic, and then if you come back here, they will be added. But if it's a new token, maybe if it's maybe a week old or a month old, they're not automatically added to Trust Wallet. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to CoinGecko. And then I search new coins. I'm going to look for a recently added token, and then we go and add it on our Trust Wallet. So these are our new tokens. As you can see, I'm going to look for that one for Smart Chain. So there's this one, the FLRS. Let me click on it. Let me click on here. I want to get its contract address. By the way, I don't know what this token does. I'm just using it as an example, so don't get excited and maybe buy it because it's in the video. No, I exactly don't know what it does. I'm just adding it because it's a new token on the coin listed here. So you click on show info. So the contract address is here. Copy. You click on copy. So after that, as I said, I don't know what this token does. I haven't read about them, so please don't buy because you saw it in this video. Please don't. I'm just using it as an example to make this tutorial. So I've copied the contract address. It's here. Click to copy. Copied. So I go back to my Trust Wallet. The token is called Flourish something. So we go back to Trust Wallet. You click at the right corner here. If you type the word Flourish, since it's a new token, Flourish, you cannot find it there because it's a new token. So let's wait if it's going to show up. Flourish, nothing is showing up. That's the name of the token. Let's go back, add it. It was Flourish. There's nothing. It's not showing because it's a new token. So we click on add the custom token. You click on here, add custom token, and then the network, since this is a Smart Chain token, I'm going to change this to Smart Chain. You click on Smart Chain is on top here, Smart Chain, and then I paste the contract address I copied from CoinGecko or from their website. But in this case, I copied it from the CoinGecko, so you paste it here. It is supposed to autofill here. So then after that, as you can see, it has the name of the token is called Flourish. The symbol is FLRS and the decimals are 9. So after that, you click on done. So this is the new token. So it isn't showing the price. This is the new token we just added. It's a BEP20 token. So ladies and gentlemen, so if you go back to our wallet, we are going to see that token down here. Here we go. It's down here. So that is the easy way to add a custom token to Trust Wallet. If you like this video, share it to your friends, like and subscribe. And please, as I said, I do not know what this token does, so don't buy it because you saw it in this video. I'm just using it as an example. Always do your personal research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. Don't take the advice you get from videos about investment. Always do your personal research. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.